What is up, everybody? It's BlueMoon Mining here, and we are talking about a new absolute Dogecoin and Litecoin mining beast. It's not the AlphaPex. I'm just kind of showing this as a placeholder, but it's actually the FluMiner L1. This thing is a home miner masterpiece. This does 5.3 gigahash at 1200 watts. Right now at 10 cents a kilowatt hour. This thing is racking in almost $18 a day, almost $19 a day actually. So we're getting close to 20 bucks a day for a home ASIC miner. This is mining the script algorithm, which mines Litecoin, Dogecoin, and all these other coins that you can see right here. I know that people have been triple coin mining with Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Bell. I have not personally done it because I don't have anything, but this thing is crazy. Compared to the AlphaPix, which was the original one that everyone was so excited about, did 21 or 2.1 gigahash, 630 watts. This thing's basically doubled, if not a little bit more than doubled, the power of the AlphaPix DG1 Home. And the AlphaPix is only currently making just about $7 a day. So this FluMiner is a freaking beast. Now, I hear that it's in stock some places. Currently, it's not in stock at Crypto Miner Bros. If it was, I could get you guys a $70 discount, but I can't. But there's also some Black Friday deals for other miners, so go check them out in the link in the description below if you guys want to get save some coin on this Black Friday. But I think there might be better deals on Monday because I think I don't even know what it's called. But yeah, so with Dogecoin being at about 43 cents right now, and Litecoin is hovering around 100 bucks, I believe. Well, actually, it's 102 today. Well, shit. Congratulations, Litecoin. You're above $100 again. But yeah, so with that going on, these miners have been a lot more profitable lately. What's kind of explains the high price point of these, because I know the AlphaPex was not this expensive that long ago. Dude, I remember though, this is the price to your door is Crypto Miner Bro. So other websites it might be a little cheaper, but that's because it's not priced to your door. You're gonna have all this other fees and crap pop up. So yeah, so this thing is an absolute beast right now. It's top in the charts compared to other home ASIC miners for script mining. I couldn't get my mine the ASIC to work, so I have to go. Yeah, to use ASIC miner value, but I actually do like what they did with the website. It looks a lot cleaner than it did back when I first started checking it out. But yeah, so if you look at the top, the AlphaPex DG1 Plus is pretty high. I mean, their Hydro is pretty good as well, but we're not looking for the home ASIC miners. And since we're looking for those, we are going to look for the FluMiner, which is right here. Tops the charts between all the ones that are there. 5.3 gigahertz, 1200 watts. And it's also quiet, 40 decibels. That's something that people that mine at home like. They like a quiet miner that makes money. So, um, but yeah, so to me, this thing's pretty good. If I could get my hands on it, you know damn well there'd be review videos, setup videos, all that. But right now, I don't think that's in my price range. I might be getting an AlphaPex DG1 home though, so if you guys stay tuned for that, you might see that eventually. But yeah, so this thing compared to the AlphaPex is pretty good, and it is an absolute beast. If it does come in, if it does go on sale and it's not out of stock on Crypto Miner Bros, check it out. I can save you guys 70 bucks by using my discount code BlueMoon. But yeah, so this thing's pretty cool. I don't got much to say about it because I don't have it, so I can't really go out of my way and express too much about it because in order for me to go too into detail, I need to actually have it and be able to use it to know what the experience is like. But the thing looks cool, and I hope to see more videos about it soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.